Hi, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we shall be discussing about the layouts in Microsoft Publisher and the zooming operation in Microsoft Publisher. First, let's discuss about the layout operation in Microsoft Publisher. The layout actually allows you to lay out your page, to view your page, to view your page in different display. Now in Microsoft Publisher, we have two types of display, two types of layouts. We have the single layout and the two spread page layout. Now this depends, and you can find this layouts operation, these layouts tools on your status bar, your Microsoft Publisher. You can also find them in the View tab menu by clicking on the View tab menu, and then in the layout submenu there, you will see the single page button and the two page spread button as well to view your page. Now, why are you using these two types of layouts? Now, initially by default, when you open your Microsoft Publisher, you're always display it always displays the single page layout by default. That's a single page. Now, to switch to the two page spread, you just have to go by clicking the two page spread button on your status bar or clicking it from your view tab menu in the layout subgroup there. When you click it, it will join each page to display them in one view, but the two page displays in that one view. So it will be two pages displaying in a view window like this. So now let's try this. So let's display our current pages in a two page spread layout. Now as you can see, it's been displayed in a two pages, and you can see the effects also on the pages navigation pane, and you can see them on your layouts down here. Now, why are you using this? Let's say, for example, you're creating a booklet, a book or something, or a magazine, and this layout actually can also help you to have a clearer view of how your magazine will be when it's being printed out on a real page. So you can see that it's two pages, and you can always switch back to your single page view, single page layout. It goes back to your single page layout, or you can switch to your two page spread layout, and it goes back. Now you can see each pages, so you can perform your design properly and perfectly. Now let's talk about the zoom operation in Microsoft Publisher. Now the zoom operation, as we understand in this term, helps you to zoom to zoom, as in to help you to display your content in a clearer view where you can see it properly, clear, either in a big size or in a much fitter size or in a very large size. Now this zoom tool and operation can be found in two places in Microsoft Publisher. You can find them on the status bar, just like the layout tools as well. You can find this zoom operation on the status bar, zoom tool on the status bar, or you can find them through by clicking on the view tab menu, and clicking on the view tab menu you have the zoom sub menu, and it's all tools there. Let's try zooming in and zooming out some function. Now we have in the status bar, we have the zoom out. The zoom out actually helps you to zoom out your page by actually reducing the zoom, reducing the view, reducing your page to a smaller page. Now, why are you doing this? Why are you making use of this kind of zoom? Because you may have loads of content for your page around and you cannot see them. So trying to zoom out helps you to come to bring all your contents in a smaller size so you can be able to view them. Now if you have your content there, have this content there, so if it's zoomed in, it will be literally hard for you to move from one content to the other, from one object to the other. When you zoom out, when you zoom out and your page is small, you can always go to find the other objects so you can align them to a more fitted way for your or, for your page. And now we just spoke about the zoom out function, and there we have that the zoom out function actually has the negative minus sign, the negative subtraction, the minus sign on the status bar alongside with the zoom tool. So the left side of your zoom tool, and then we have the slider, the slider tab, the slider tab there. The slider tab actually allows you to use the slider button to either zoom or zoom out your page by just dragging on the pane there, the blue pane. By dragging it up and down, it helps you to zoom out your page and down automatically. So the other tool beside the tool, the slider tab, we have the zoom in tool. The zoom in tool helps you to enlarge your page to more better view of your requirement that you need. By just clicking the zoom into, your page has been enlarged, and as it zooms in, and as you zoom in your and zoom out your page, it displays the level of the zoom on the side there, and it's called the zoom level, and you see it by percentage. So when I zoom in, we're on 70 percentage of our zoom level. When I zoom out, we are on 14 percentage of our zoom level. Now, where other place can you make use of your zoom operation? You can make use of your zoom operation through the view tab menu. In the zoom sub menu subgroup there, you have the zoom operation, the zoom function tools there. We have 100% zoom, helps you take your page straight away to 100% zoom. So as you can see there, your tab had been aligned to this point. 100% always shows on your slider there. As you see the smaller pin there, that's 100%. So by clicking this, it automatically take you straight down to 100% page zoom size. So now the other one, we have the whole page. By clicking the whole page, it helps you align, it helps you zoom your page to well better view that you can see your page clearer and more clearer. And there we have the other one there, the zoom. The zoom just helps you to put a size of your zoom by just typing it in dimension or any zoom size. Like for example, we want to zoom into 20, 35 percentage, and when you type 35 percentage, you press enter on your keyboard, and it will zoom. It has zoomed your page to 35 percentage, and as it zooms your page to 35 percentage, you can see all the changes down in your zoom level. And there you have page to width. Page width helps you zoom your page to width. Now it takes it to 94 percentage zoom level. That is the page to width. And there we have selected object. Now it just helps you to zoom your page to the selected object. As you can see, for this function to work, you must have an object that is being selected. And when your object is selected, it helps you to zoom your page to that selected object so you can see your page properly. And as you zoom in, you can see it very clear, and you know exactly what you want to do. And as you can notice that it has zoomed your page down to 392 percentage zoom level. So guys, hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.